Welcome to the winners interviews of this year's Waters rankings. Now, Cloud9, part of Symphony, won the best trading floor communication system provider category in this year's rankings. And joining me is Michael Lynch, Chief Product Officer at Symphony. Welcome, Michael. Really good to see you. Congratulations to you and, of course, to the folks at Cloud9 and Symphony for this win.
Thank you very much, Victor. We're thrilled to be. I'm thrilled to be here, and we're obviously thrilled with the victory.
Good. Now, Cloud9, it has to be said, is by no means the only trading communication service stroke platform available across the financial services industry now. So my question to you then is, what do you see as the key functions of the platform that makes it such a compelling proposition from the perspective of buy-side and sell-side firms?
Sure. I think what sets Cloud9 apart is the fundamental newness and modern approach that we take to trader voice. First and foremost, that is the fact that we are truly cloud native and cloud only in the way that we provide our product. So that means no physical telephone lines, no on-prem infrastructure, no complex network management. It is a cloud software as a service that has become the market standard for how the world works, but also increasingly how financial services companies wish to work. I think secondly, we are a software application. We are deployed incredibly easily to an end user's PC, and we are available and flexible. They can access that same software application from their trading desk or from their office or from their vacation home if they need to be. We do have a hardware device that operates as a USB peripheral to the software. So again, it provides the flexibility of deployment, but also the workflow and experience of a hardware device that is so important in some of the more, certainly in some of the more high-speed, complex workflows that exist, obviously, on the trading desk. And then lastly, from the get-go, Cloud9 has been API first. Focused on how not only can trader voice exist as a standalone experience for a user, but how can it be fully integrated into all of their investment decision-making, trade execution, customer relationship management workflows. And we do that with our full suite of easy-to-use APIs, and increasingly, which kind of thinking about how AI takes that even further in the future.
Yep. Now, Michael, when it comes to communication within and between financial services firms, regulatory considerations are ever present. To what extent do regulatory imperatives drive Cloud9's functional development? And how does Cloud9 as a service provider help manage its clients' various regulatory mandates?
Regulatory changes are incredibly important to us. As any technology platform in the financial markets, we keep a close watch on changes, talk to our customers constantly about what they need in terms of regulatory requirements, whether that's as basic as SOC 2 and ensuring security and compliant deployment of our capabilities. In our world, especially when it comes to voice, the key, kind of regulatory topic is often voice recording, and ensuring that we have, a robust, secure way that we can help our users capture the voice calls that they conduct on Cloud9, and that they have, that they can then use those recordings in regulatory inquiries or however they need to do. But there's also a myriad of requirements around voice recording in terms of how the user experience operates in the US versus Europe versus other jurisdictions. So it's an incredibly complex, seemingly simple, but incredibly complex topic that we take incredibly seriously, given the importance it is to our customers and their need to deliver to their regulators.
Yep. Good. Final question to you, Michael, before I let you go is, let's cast our minds down the road a little bit and talk a little bit about Cloud9's release radar with respect to new features and functions that are looking to drip feed into the platform in the foreseeable future. What are you hearing from your clients in terms of demand for new functionality, given the fact that this is it's a rapidly evolving industry? There are regulatory imperatives coming down the pike all the time. So typically, what are you, as an organization, hearing from your clients in terms of what their needs are?
Sure. I think we're constantly hearing new and exciting things from our customers across a range of different topics. And one of the opportunities that we bring for our customers is the speed at which we can release product because of the software and cloud nature of our product. It is, we do very frequent releases to enable new capabilities. And we do that across, our client asks for new and complex voice workflows to ensure workflows that don't just connect Cloud9 users to Cloud9 users, but allow Cloud9 users to connect with standard dial tone, and PSTN connectivity. So we're very focused on that. Another big focus for us that our customers are excited about is enhancing our directory capabilities. So again, because there are no physical telephone lines, we're able to provide much faster and open connectivity between members of the Cloud9 voice connectivity. So that's an area that we're investing in even further to enable that, that connectivity, that secure connectivity across firms for voice communication. Thirdly, the core sort of value proposition of Cloud9 is our flexibility. So we're looking at more ways that we can be even more flexible with how our product can be deployed, mobile, new hardware offerings, new optionality in how our users can interact with our product. Because as we grow, not just on the trading desk, but in areas like research and operations, and even sort of areas that are less on the trading desk, workflows are different. So being able to provide that flexibility is critical. And I think the last thing I'll hit on, because it's such a topic, is of course AI. We've already integrated AI into our product to enable even higher quality voice with an AI-powered noise cancellation capability. But we're also focused on voice analytics. So being able to help our customers who leverage Cloud9 extract intelligence and create workflows off of not just the voice data, but the content of those voice conversations, whether they're transactions, customer engagements, market color, whatever they might be, to be able to further understand that and get even more value out of our product and the data on it.
Michael, that's a good point to finish our discussion on then. That just leads me to congratulate you again, and of course to your colleagues at Cloud9 and which obviously it's a part of Symphony. Congratulations to everybody who was involved in this. I look forward to catching up in the not too distant future. And who knows, perhaps at this point next year, Cloud9 will be back in the winner's circle of the Waters rankings.
We appreciate Victor, and we're so appreciative of all of our customers and the partnership that they've given us over these years. And their votes are what count, and we really appreciate their confidence in us and their partnership and the team at Waters. So thank you.